Have you ever racked your brains about how the clear, fragile, yet incredibly versatile material glass is made? This ubiquitous material is all around us, in our windows, our vehicles, our smartphones, even in the fibers that carry our internet signals. We use it to gaze at the world, to protect ourselves from the elements, to communicate with each other, and much more. It's a material that's both old and new, with a rich history and a future full of potential. Yet its creation remains a mystery to many. Today we're embarking on an enlightening journey, a deep dive into the heart of this fascinating material. We'll explore the complexity behind its simplicity, the brilliance behind its transparency. We'll uncover the secrets of its creation, step by intricate step, from the raw materials to the final polished product. So stay tuned if you want to unravel the enigma of glassmaking. It's time to shed light on the mystery of glass. Before we dive into the process, it's essential to understand what goes into the making of glass. The primary ingredient is silica sand, quite abundant on our planet's surface. This sand provides the structure of the glass, forming the backbone of every glass object you've ever held. Next up, we have soda ash, also known as sodium carbonate. This ingredient lowers the melting point of the sand, making it easier to shape into glass at lower temperatures. Imagine it as the facilitator, smoothing the way for the process to proceed. Last but not least, we have limestone. This ingredient brings durability to the table, ensuring that the glass doesn't dissolve in water or deteriorate over time. It's the guardian, protecting the integrity of the glass. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, working together in harmony to produce the glass we know and use every day. With these key ingredients in mind, we can now delve into the fascinating process of glass production. The creation of glass starts with a fiery molten fusion. Imagine a colossal furnace, its belly ablaze with a heat so intense it's like a miniature sun. The ingredients we've gathered, silica, soda ash, limestone, and a few others, are tossed into this inferno. As the temperature soars to approximately 1700 degrees Celsius, these seemingly mundane materials undergo a profound transformation. They melt, merging and intermingling to form a fiery, flowing liquid, a glowing river of potential. The individual characteristics of each ingredient are lost, replaced by the collective identity of something new, something extraordinary. This is the birth of glass. The process is as fascinating as it is intense. The furnace, our modern-day crucible, facilitates this remarkable metamorphosis, turning raw materials into the molten heart of glass. And there, in the belly of the furnace, at temperatures that would make even the sun blush, this scorching process forms the molten heart of glassmaking. Once the fiery fusion is ready, it's time to give shape to our liquid glass. This is where the real magic happens. The molten glass, glowing with intense heat, is now ready to be transformed into a myriad of shapes and forms. First, there's the art of blowing. This is an age-old technique that dates back to the 1st century BC. The glassblower uses a long metal tube called a blowpipe and breathes life into the molten glass, creating a bubble. It's a mesmerizing dance between the artist and the element, resulting in beautiful, delicate creations. Then, there's pressing. The molten glass is poured into a mold, and a metal plunger presses down into the mold, forcing the glass into the shape of the mold. This method is commonly used to create intricate designs and patterns on the glass surface. Drawing, on the other hand, is used for making long, continuous items like rods and tubes. The molten glass is literally drawn out from the furnace, using gravity and tension to stretch it into the desired form. And finally, we have floating. This process is used for making flat glass, like the kind you see in windows. The molten glass is poured onto a bath of molten tin, where it floats and spreads out, forming a perfectly flat surface. But we're not done yet. Once the glass has been shaped, it's time for the cooling process, known as annealing. The glass is slowly cooled in a special oven called an annealing layer. This step is crucial, as it helps to remove any stresses in the glass that may have been caused during the shaping process, making it less brittle and more durable. And voila! After a meticulous shaping and cooling process, we have our finished product, glass. Each piece is a testament to the skill and artistry of the glassmaker, and a fascinating journey from raw materials to a finished, gleaming product. So, what have we learned today about the intriguing process of glassmaking? Quite a bit, right? We've uncovered the mystery of glass, an everyday material we often take for granted. We've delved into the key ingredients that make up this transparent wonder: silica, soda ash and limestone, giving glass its unique properties. We've journeyed into the heart of the melting pot, where these ingredients are heated to a staggering 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, transforming them into a fiery, molten concoction. From there, we've seen the incredible artistry and precision that goes into shaping and cooling this molten mixture, creating the myriad of glass products we see and use every day. From windows to bottles, from eyeglasses to screens, glass is an integral part of our lives, its creation a testament to human ingenuity. Next time you look through a window or drink from a glass bottle, remember the intricate process that brought that glass into existence.